Hello everyone and welcome to Igbo Academy. My name is Chioma. Today we are going to talk about word derivations in Igbo language. There are some loan or borrowed words. These are words that are borrowed from other languages and are pronounced as much as the owners. So we are looking at the words that are borrowed from the English language. Remember that borrowed words in Igbo language is called okumbibi. Number one, we are going to look at the English word radio. In Igbo, it is also called radio. Number two, the English word hammer. In Igbo, it is also called hammer, but the spelling is different. Number three, we have table. In Igbo, it's also called tebulu. Number four, we have window. In Igbo, it's also called window. Number five, English word is called cigar. In Igbo, it's also called cigar. The spellings are just different, but it's the same pronunciation. Number six, we have tie. Tie. In Igbo, it's also called tie, but the spelling is different. In seven, we have tire. In Igbo, it's also called tire, but the spelling is different. In number eight, we have tube. In Igbo, we call it tubu. Tubu. We have fek. In Igbo, we call it forko. Forko. We have wire. The English word wire. In Igbo, we call it wire. We have ink. The English word ink. In Igbo, it's called inky. We have buckets. In English word, we call it bucket. Bucket in Igbo language. We have bomb. In Igbo, we call it bomb. English word church. In Igbo, we call it torch. Torch. Appeal. In Igbo, we call it appeal. July. In Igbo also we call it July, but the spelling is different. Passenger. In Igbo also is called passenger. Week. In Igbo also is called week. Slippers. In Igbo also it is called slippers, but the spelling is different. Easter. In Igbo is called Easter. Advent. In Igbo language, it's called Advent. Philosophy. In Igbo also, it's philosophy. Asbestos. In Igbo also, it's asbestos. Commissioner. In Igbo also, commissioner. Jesus. In Igbo, Jesus. Christ. In Igbo, Christi. Pope. In Igbo language, Pope. Bishop. In Igbo language, Bishop. Sister. In Igbo language, Sister. Electric. In Igbo language, we call it electric. Electric. Ọkụ electric. Deacon. In Igbo language, we also call it deacon, but the spellings are different. Canon. In Igbo language is called canon too. Agent. In Igbo language is called agent. Hectare. In Igbo language also hectare. Diary. In Igbo language is diary. Diary. So the spellings are just different, but it's the same pronunciation. Engineer. In Igbo language, engineer. Petrol. In Igbo language also we call it petrol. Jew. In Igbo language, Jew. Class. In Igbo language, class. Almanac. In Igbo language, almanac. you just go through the spellings. The spellings are just different, but it's almost the same. It's pronounced almost the same way the owners of the word pronounce the words. Let's go through the words again. I'll only call the Igbo form of these words. We have radio, hammer, table, window, cigar, tie, tire, tube, fork, wire, ink, bucket, bulb, torch, April, July, passenger, wig, slippers, Easter, appendix, advent, philosophy, asbestos, commissioner, Jesus, Christy, Pope, Bishop, sister, electric, deacon, canon, agent, hector, diary, engineer, petrol, Jew, class, almanac. From these words I called, I know even if you're not an Igbo person, once these words are pronounced, you already know that what the person wants to pronounce. So this is how the borrowed words are. They are pronounced almost the same way the owners of the language pronounce the words. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. Kemesia, Kodibazia. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.